A massive winter storm slammed into New South Wales, Australia, on July 1st to 2, 2025, bringing intense rainfall, destructive winds, and widespread flooding to coastal communities. The system caused blackouts, infrastructure damage, and forced emergency evacuations as water levels surged across the region. The storm was driven by a deep low-pressure system off the southeast coast, which pulled in tropical moisture and dumped relentless rain over the state. Coastal areas from Nowra to Newcastle, including Wollongong, Kiama, and the Central Coast, were hit hardest. Rainfall totals exceeded 120 mm, nearly 5 inches, in less than 24 hours in some areas. Streets turned into rivers, cars were swept away, entire neighborhoods became submerged. The Bureau of Meteorology, BOM, described the event as one of the worst winter storms in recent memory. But it wasn't just rain. Wind gusts of 90-110 km/h, 55-68 mph, battered homes and businesses, uprooting trees and tearing off roofs. The storm downed power lines across multiple regions, cutting electricity to more than 37,000 households and businesses, primarily in Illawarra, the South Coast and Central Coast. Emergency services were overwhelmed. The State Emergency Service, SES, responded to over 2,300 emergency calls in 24 hours. Dozens of people had to be rescued from submerged vehicles or homes. In several viral videos, floodwaters can be seen pouring through city streets, while residents flee through waist-deep water in the middle of the night. One of the most serious risks was the Warragamba Dam, Sydney's main water supply. Heavy inflows forced authorities to open the dam's gates, releasing water into the Hawkesbury-Nepean Valley, one of the most flood-prone regions in Australia. Evacuation orders were issued across several suburbs downstream, with shelters set up for displaced residents.
Is this for real?
Landslides were also reported in mountainous areas like the Southern Highlands and Blue Mountains, where heavy rain destabilized hillsides. Roads were blocked by debris, isolating some communities and delaying emergency response. Adding to the crisis, meteorologists warned that this may only be the first wave. Another round of heavy rain is forecast within the next 24-48 hours, with potential for 50-100 millimeters more rainfall. The ground is already saturated, meaning any additional rain could trigger further flash floods, river overflows, and landslides. "We are facing a highly dangerous and evolving situation," one emergency official said. "If you've been told to evacuate, do it now. Your life is more important than your property." As the skies remain dark and storm warnings continue, eastern New South Wales is bracing for more chaos. This storm is a powerful reminder of how quickly nature can shift, and how important it is to be prepared when it does.